Hi, so this is my second video blog and I am going Indian dress shopping for Eid. So I am going to be going to 3 Indian boutiques in Tampa and see their collections. Let's see how it's going to be. So right now I am outside Grow Style Indian Boutique. Let's see how the collection is. So yeah, we are at Grow Style right now and this is a really royal dress. But I think it's too much for Eid, so I am not going to buy something like this, probably for some engagement function, definitely not mine. And then we have so many colors here. We have pink and then we have blue and then we have yellow and then red. Countless number of colors. And my all-time favorite, Anarkali. You guys have to have a look at this and let me know which you like the most. The one that I like the most is this one. It has these diamond studs over it and it sobers down to just thread work, and the color, I really love it. Pink it is, my all-time favorite. So I think this is something I would want to wear on Eid, and then wear those stunning pink lipstick and then mascara and look all the more glamorous. How much is this for? This is for $130. And let me ask if they're going to give us some special discount. Really gorgeous, and I think pink suits me more than any other color. So
I can see you are wearing the pink already.
yes. So do you think I can get any special discount on this?
See, normally our prices are already fixed kind of things. We only do 5 off, but for the Eid we are doing 10 off.
Okay, so
$10 off.
okay, so we're gonna get $10 off on this. You have to let me know which one to pick. To another store. Let's see how's the collection there. And now we've come to Alicia's creation. I am so excited to see the collection here. So unfortunately, we cannot see the collection here due to some legal issues. We're not allowed to see their collections, but you can go to Alicia Creations online and check out their dresses. Now we are heading to next store. So with a little disappointment because we could not see the collection of our previous store, I'm heading to the to another store, Prerna Boutique, and here you will see that we have so many dresses placed outside the store, and let's see what is there. And so the first dress that I see is this, and you will see it's not like the regular Indian dress. It has got these pleats and these definitions and these heavy work. It looks really classy. One different pattern that I see here is this dress with the chain. So it's given that westernized touch to the Indian dress. And look at this. This is like really sexy. It has a netted pattern at the waist, and then it has a very nice bag, and the color orange is always vibrant. So it always looks bright on you. So orange is the color for the season. You cannot do Indian dresses without are these jhumkas. They are like so gorgeous. Totally in love with it. I would like to show one dress that I thought I should pick for Eid for myself. So look at this. It totally goes with what I'm going to buy. And here it is, this dress, the mannequin, black and red. Black and red has always been my mom's favorite combination. So why not please her with this combination? So please comment which dress you like the most. And I am on the way back home, contemplating between the two dresses that I showed you. The pink one that we saw at Grow Style, it is really pretty and it's pink, so I like it, and it is a little glittery, also sober. That was for after discount $120. And the dress that I showed you here, red and black, that is for $150, but they're gonna give us 30% discount. Let me know which dress should I go for. See you guys soon. Bye bye.